The automotive industry is evolving rapidly with the development of artificial intelligence, AI. AI has been used in cars for decades, but its use is accelerating. In this video, I'll be discussing how AI is transforming the automotive industry and what it means for us as consumers. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to discuss the incredible ways AI is transforming the automotive industry and why it matters to us as consumers. This is a topic I am very passionate about, so let's dive right in. AI technology has been used in cars since the early 1990s, but it has become much more sophisticated over time. AI can now be used for many different applications such as driver assistance systems, autonomous driving capabilities, predictive maintenance, and more. With these advances in AI technology, cars are becoming more efficient and safer than ever before. AI technology has been used in cars since the early 1990s, but it has become much more sophisticated over time. AI can now be used for many different applications such as driver assistance systems, autonomous driving capabilities, predictive maintenance, and more. With these advances in AI technology, cars are becoming more efficient and smarter. For example, driver assistance systems can help drivers stay in their lane and alert them to obstacles in the road. Autonomous vehicles are also able to detect and respond to their environment better than ever before, allowing them to navigate roads accurately and safely. Additionally, predictive maintenance algorithms can detect and diagnose potential problems before they occur, reducing the need for costly repairs. This technology also helps manufacturers create more reliable and fuel-efficient vehicles. As a result, consumers are able to enjoy the benefits of these advanced technologies without sacrificing safety or reliability. The most exciting development in AI for automobiles is autonomous driving technology. Autonomous vehicles use a combination of sensors and deep learning algorithms to navigate roads without human intervention. This technology has huge potential to reduce traffic congestion and make our roads safer by eliminating human error from driving. AI technology has revolutionized the automobile industry and has been used in cars since the early 1990s. It has become increasingly sophisticated over time and can now be used for a wide range of applications. From driver assistance systems to autonomous driving capabilities and predictive maintenance, AI technology is making cars more efficient and safer than ever before. Autonomous driving technology is particularly revolutionary as it has the potential to reduce traffic congestion and eliminate human error from driving. Predictive maintenance algorithms also help reduce the cost of repairs and replacements by detecting potential problems before they occur. With these advances in AI technology, car owners are able to enjoy the benefits of these advanced technologies without sacrificing safety or reliability. In addition to autonomous driving technologies, AI can also be used for predictive maintenance, which helps detect potential problems before they become serious issues that require costly repairs or replacements. Predictive maintenance uses data collected from sensors on vehicles to detect potential problems before they arise, which can save car owners a lot of money down the line. The applications of AI in the automobile industry don't end with autonomous driving and predictive maintenance. AI can also be used to improve the customer experience by personalizing recommendations and services to drivers. For example, AI can be used to provide drivers with information about nearby gas stations, restaurants, or services that could improve their overall experience with their vehicle. AI can also help drivers find the best routes to their destinations by analyzing road conditions, traffic, and other factors. AI can even provide drivers with personalized recommendations for car maintenance to help them keep their vehicles running smoothly and efficiently. Ultimately, AI can help make our roads safer, reduce traffic congestion, and improve customer experience so that drivers can enjoy their time on the road. AI also has applications for improving customer experience by providing personalized recommendations based on user data such as location or preferences. This could help drivers find nearby gas stations or restaurants with ease while also giving them tailored recommendations on services that could improve their overall experience with their vehicle. AI can also be employed to improve the safety of drivers and passengers. AI can be used to monitor the driver's behavior and alert when there is any sign of distraction or fatigue, such as when the driver is not paying attention to the road or is not following traffic regulations. AI can also be used to detect objects in the car's vicinity, such as other vehicles, pedestrians, and animals, and alert the driver to any potential hazards. AI can also be used to monitor the car's performance and alert when there are any issues with the car's brakes, steering, or other components that could cause an accident. Additionally, AI can be used to detect any environmental hazards, such as fog or ice, and alert the driver to take extra precautions. By utilizing AI, drivers can be sure that their vehicles are always operated safely and that they are never put in harm's way. It's clear that artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the automotive industry in many ways that will benefit both drivers and car makers alike. From autonomous driving technologies to predictive maintenance solutions, AI offers an array of possibilities that will make our lives easier and safer while on the road. AI also has many potential uses in the automotive industry beyond customer service and safety. For example, AI can be used to predict maintenance needs for vehicles before they require service, which can reduce the cost and inconvenience of unexpected repairs. AI can also be used to optimize the efficiency of engines, reducing the amount of energy used to power them and the amount of emissions released. AI can also be used to analyze data from the car's sensors to improve the accuracy and reliability of its navigation systems. Furthermore, AI can be used to enable autonomous features in cars, such as lane assist and adaptive cruise control, which can help reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall driving safety. AI can also be used to enable predictive parking, which can help drivers find parking spots quickly and easily. AI can even be used to enable cars to communicate with other vehicles and their environment, which can further increase safety and efficiency on the roads. All in all, AI has great potential to revolutionize the automotive industry, making it safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. That concludes our discussion today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.